In this video, I will show you how to delete all password saved in your Chrome browser from Password Manager or password and passkey. How you can delete them all. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. I'm going to start all over from the Chrome browser. So for that, what you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. I'm opening up my Chrome browser right here. Have you opened up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots, scroll down right here, proceed to settings, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to password manager right here. Click on that, and the next thing you want to do right here is to click on settings. So at this point here, scroll down right here, click on delete all data, and this is going to pop up. Delete all Google Password Manager data. You have 15 password and you have 5 passkey. Come down below right here and click on delete, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.